there. All right. So, hi everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. I'm Aarti and I will be your host for today. So, kids, as you all know, we are here for a demo and interaction program for grade 2 mathematics, right? So, you all are new to this platform, right? So, previously you were in grade 1 and now in grade 2. And how are you finding grade 2? Interesting? Easy, simple, hard? It's nice? You're learning new things? Yes? Okay, great. So nice to see all the lovely faces. Shavika, Sarthak, Galaxy, Arya, it would be nice if you can all turn on your videos. Anika says easy. Yes, absolutely. So at Olympiad Success, so I'll just give you a brief about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examinations, right? And we do conduct these live classes for which you are here right now, okay? And our classes focuses on conceptual clarity and making your strong foundation really strong, okay? So if your concepts are clear, if your foundation is strong, you can do anything, correct? Correct? Say yes or no. Yes. All right. So kids, what we'll be doing today in this session is, since this is a demo session, so first of all, there would be an introduction by your mentor, Sabrina ma'am, who would be taking this entire course. Then Rajan sir would be taking you through a presentation about this course. Then I would be giving you a tour of the platform. After the tour of the platform, we will be having a short question and answer round. Okay, so if you have any doubts, any queries, you can write it down in the chat section or just raise your hand. We will unmute you so that you can ask your question. And after that, we will be starting with the demo session for which you all are here, right? So our live classes are of 75 minutes. But then since today it's a demo session only, so it will be of 30 minutes. Okay? Clear, everyone? Okay. So thank you so much for listening to me carefully. And now I would like to introduce you all to Sabrina ma'am. So hi, Sabrina ma'am, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you.
Yeah. So Sabrina ma'am is here. So she would be taking up your course, right? And she has been associated with Olympiad Success for quite a while. And Sabrina ma'am, please do introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Hi, everyone. All of you wave your hands. How are you? Okay, so before the demo session, I would like to give you my introduction. My name is Sabrina, and I am your maths teacher. I am a teacher by profession and have been teaching for 5 years. I have done my graduation from Delhi University and post-graduation from Jamia Millia Islamia. Basically, I love teaching children, so I am very excited to teach you all. And I believe in practical teaching learning because I believe that it allows us a quick adaptation and makes our topic interesting. So I'm really looking to forward. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Sabrina ma'am. It's a pleasure to have you on the platform as well. And now, Rajan sir, if you can share your screen for the presentation.
Sure, ma'am. So, hi students, welcome to the demo of class 2 mathematics. Let me tell you about us, about Olympiad Success. So, Olympiad Success, India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exam. And we have Olympiad live classes, and this is our third year in live classes. And students, we also have School Plus program. In School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, both Vedic maths as well as coding. What else? We also offer Olympiad plus CBSE classes from grade 6 to 10 and one on preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiad, SESMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Count, US competition, Math Kangaroo, and also for JEE main preparation classes. Meet the rank holder for session 21-22. So in Olympiad Success, many students got an national rank 1 this year. Now, students, about this course, there will be 20 students in the class and the classes will be conducted on Zoom platform only. So there will be 2 sessions per week. The days will be Wednesday and Sunday. The timing is 5 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. So the duration of the class will be 75 minutes and we have a break of 5 minutes in between. The session include mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and we will also discuss previous year. And students get reading material and practice question that will be available on dashboard of Olympiad Success. And with this course, you will get free access to the Olympiad Success mock test, that is worksheet also for mathematics as well as logical reasoning. Okay. The syllabus link I will share with you in the chat box. So the fees for this course is 6,370, and there will be 30 session in this course. Okay, students. Payment link I will share in the chat. The fee include online classes, daily reading notes and exercise, previous year paper, and like it, you will get the access to the Olympiad Success platform for mathematics as well as logical reasoning worksheets. And students, if you enroll today, you are eligible for free CMO exam, that is Best Mathematics Olympiad. So to join this course, what you need a laptop with good internet speed and headphone. And students, as you know, like preparation for Olympiad exam is tougher than regular school curriculum because there will be some topics from your upper grades also. So you need to spend approximately 2 hours every day to cope up with the curriculum, and parent support will be needed to check answers and relate concepts. The classes, live classes for this course will start from 8th June. And currently we have students from 3,800 schools and we are keeping in 30 plus countries. So this is about this course, students. Now Artin will give you a tour of Olympiad Success Dashboard. And after that, if you have any query and doubt, you can ask in the chat box. So over to you, Artin.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a wonderful presentation. And now, students, I will be sharing my screen for giving you a brief, like the tour of the platform, wherein you will understand how you can access the reading material and topic-wise worksheets once you enroll to this program. Okay. So what you need to do is, like, once you enroll, you go to this website, which is olympiadsuccess.com/login, and enter your credentials. That is your email and password, and click on the sign in button. So once you click on the sign in button, you would be redirected to your profile page. In case if it is not complete, make sure you complete the profile, and then only you would be able to move to other sections on the dashboard. So the first important section here is live classes. Once you click on live classes on this page, you can see like the subject, the topic, view schedule, holiday calendar, and Zoom meeting details, right? So now here you see under the subject list, there are 3 subjects coming: math, science, and English. So here I have enrolled for these 3 subjects. That's why I can see these 3 subjects under the subject list. So whichever subject you will subscribe to, you can see that subject over here. So now what you have to do is, like, let's say we have selected Mathematics Olympiad. So under the topic list, you would be getting all the topics for which you would be taught in the classes, regular classes. So let's say if I select numbers. All right, so here you can see the reading material, practice question and answer keys. To check these, you have to click on these and a PDF will open up. In the PDF, like the entire detail about that particular topic will be given, right? And basis this topic, there would be some practice questions for you to practice. You can just practice from these, mark your answers, and then finally what you need to do is compare your answers with the answer key given over here. Okay, so you can match your answers and you'll understand whether you have done right or not. Clear? So these are the 3 important things on this page, live classes page. Then the 4th thing is view schedule. So this is again very important. So as you see here, session 1, session 2, so all the sessions here, all the sessions have assigned topics with them. So in session 1, we would be taking numerals, session 2, we would be taking this, session 3, computation operations, and so on and so forth. Okay. And after every, session, topic, 2 topics, we would be taking a mock test, right? And like, if I go at the bottom, so here, you know that this course is of 30 sessions, right? And your course will get completed in 25 sessions, and the remaining 5 sessions will be your super classes. So what is meant by super classes? So these super classes are those in which your mentor would be taking up previous year papers, and she would be helping with your doubts, with your queries, and there would be lots and lots of practice, right? So these 5 sessions will be for your practice. And then finally the holiday calendar. So if you click on that, you can see a number of days on which the classes will not be conducted. And then here the Zoom meeting ID and password. So your meeting ID and password will be updated, using which you can join the live sessions. So this is about the reading material practice questions. Now let us talk about the topic wise worksheets. So if I click on the worksheets tab, and I select the subject as mathematics because I'm enrolling for that. So these topic wise worksheets you would be getting free. So there are 45 worksheets for you to practice from, and each worksheet contains 25 questions. So you see, like for calendars, there are 4 worksheets given. So 100 questions would be there for you to practice for calendars, right? Similarly for lines, points, plane figure, measurement of length, etc., etc. So let us take one worksheet. So let's take measurement of length. Now here, some instructions would be given. You read those instructions and click on the start worksheet button. Your examination will be started. In the examination, what you need to do is you have to read the question, mark the answer, and click on the next button. Okay, so in a similar manner, you have to just read the question, mark the answer, and move ahead. On the right, you can see there are questions and these are turning green, which means you have answered these questions. Once you are done with this, just click on the finish button and your examination will be submitted. Okay, so once you submit the exam, you would be redirected to the answer key page. On the answer key page, you can see the complete question, the options, the correct answer, and what you had answered, right? So each and every detail would be given over here. And on the right hand side, you can see the summary of your examination, like how much time you took to complete the exam, your score, etc., etc., right? And finally, like in case if you would want to see your previously, which you had attempted the worksheets previously, and what you need to do is just click on the performance tab and select the subject for which you would want to see and click on the view button. So you would be redirected to a summary page. On the summary page, click on the review button. And here on the review button, like once you click, you would be redirected to the answer key page once again. And this is how you can view the answer keys once again. Correct? So these are the 2 important things on your dashboard, which is live classes and worksheets. Now I'll just stop my screen share, and if you have any doubts, please do ask me and we would be happy to answer all your queries. Any doubts coming in, kids? Can we print?
Rachna, I have raised the hand. Rachna, you can write in the chat box if you have any question.
Okay, I can see Anika is asking, ma'am, can we print? I believe you are asking this, right, Anika? Can we print? So these reading material practice question answer keys are downloadable. Okay, so PDF, these are in the form of PDF, which you can download. So after downloading, you can get them printed.
Shavi, you can also write in the chat box if you have any question. You have raised your hand. Yeah.
Any other questions coming up, kids? You can
Class
quickly write it
timing.
down in the chat section.
Okay, Erika is asking for class timing. So class timing will be 5 to 6:15. Okay. And the days are Wednesday and Sunday. Ma'am, can we just subscribe to Question Bank if you are not able to attend? And we only want to subscribe for practice and sample papers.
Right. So, Rachna ma'am, to your question, I would suggest, because this is a combined course, like we have the entire live sessions and then we have the practice questions and the topic-wise worksheets. So these topic-wise worksheets are sold individually on the website also. So in case if you are interested to, get those worksheets only. So these are of rupees 990. which you can get it from the website. And regarding the content, I would request you to, drop a message at 95607 So because generally we do not give the content separately. So just drop a message asking like if it is possible, and just put up your case, and if it is possible, we would be doing that. Okay.
Can you unmute, please? Sarthak, can you read the chat box?
So I see Anika is playing with her choti, and she's seeing like how long her hair has grown. Is it? Yes. Okay, nice. And what's your name? Galaxy Tab A. I cannot. Can you rename? You know how to rename? You can type it down in the chat section. I'll rename it for you. What is your name? And Sarthak, can you please write down your question in the chat section for us to answer?
I'm Sarthak Padals.
Yes, sir. Please, if you can write it down in the chat section.
So any other questions, students? Very.
So meanwhile, any other question is coming up. So Sarthak's father is typing in the question. So meanwhile, Rajan sir, if you can ask few questions.
Okay, so I think I have already answered the questions. I think timing and days. Yes, so you can tell me like how many sessions are there? Do anyone remember number of sessions?
How many sessions are there in this entire course? Can anyone tell?
Yes, correct, Shavika.
Okay, great. So shall we ask a difficult question?
Okay, I think actually Sathik have attended, but timing and other details he is unable to tell me. Can you please repeat or share me on my words? Okay, so sir, timings will be like 5 to 6:15. Okay, 5 p.m. to 6:15. The days will be Wednesday and Sunday. Okay, there'll be 2 sessions per week. And you can check all, let me share link with you. You can check all batch details there. So I have shared one in the chat box, sir. You can check all batch details there.
Yeah, and we have asked one of our representatives to get in touch with you. He will be contacting you and requesting all of you like to follow certain practices, like it is good for all of us also. Please, you can type in your number in private chat rather than putting it up openly for everyone to read. So just for security purpose, right? So you can just privately message us in case if you would want to share your number. Okay. All right. So Rajan sir, shall we ask one difficult question to the kids? Let their minds work actually.
Yes, sure, ma'am. So students, can you tell me like how many months, in how many months the course will complete?
That's a difficult one. Who is going to tell this first? Come on, quickly raise your hand and we will allow you to speak. Anika is raising her hand. Is it Anika? Okay, I'm unmuting you. In how many months will your course get complete?
Maybe 10.
10 months? No, 10 months is not correct. Okay, let me give hint to everyone. There are 2 sessions, okay, in a week, and total number of sessions are 30. So now you can calculate.
So we see two hands raised for Aradhya and Shavika. Maybe Rajan sir, if you can give option
Yes,
2.
sure, ma'am. Yes, Shavika, you can speak.
days.
60 days. Okay, can you tell me in months how many months it will take? 2 months. No, 2 months is not correct. Okay, let's start, Aradhya.
1 month.
Right. So Sabrina ma'am, you have to, you have to first solve this question with all the kids, right? So how to calculate the number of months if total number of sessions and days are given? So then Rajan said, let's start with the session only, and
Yes.
Sabrina
Yeah,
ma'am
yeah.
would be explaining the question then.
Ma'am, sure.
You'd start with this
Okay.
question itself.
Okay, before we start, I would like to say that maths is all about full of attention and concentration, right? So I want your full attention. So let's play a small energizer. Okay, all of you ready? So all of you switch on your camera so I can see you all. Tanvi, Niti, all of you please switch on your camera. Okay, let's start. Okay, when I say tea, you have to raise your right hand. And when I say coffee, you have to raise your left hand. Okay? Tea, show me your right hand. Right hand. What's your right, Anika? Yeah. Tea, coffee. Okay? Let's do it fast. Tea, coffee. Coffee, coffee, tea. Okay, now we start. So tell me how many days are in a month. You can write in the chat box. Who will tell me how many days are there in a month? $30 days. Yeah, 30 or 31. Yeah, 30 or 31, right. So we have 2 classes in a week. In 1 week, we have 2 classes, right? So in a month, how many classes could we have? Who will tell me? If we have classes like 2 days in a week, 8. Yeah, approx 8. Like in 1 month, there would be 8 classes. In 2 months, how many classes? 8 plus 8? 16. Good. Then add 8 in 16. 24, right? Yeah, and then 32. If we add more, but we have 30 classes. So we need approx 4 months or less than 4 to complete the course. Is it clear? All of you, give me a thumb. Give all of you thumbs up if you have understood. Great. So let's start. Let's start. Okay. So our top. Let me share the screen. Can you see my screen, all of you? Let's start. So our topic is calendar. But before calendar, I would like to tell you something. You know, students, when there is no calendar, how people could manage to see the time, or How they can guess that it's a month of cold or hot? Can anyone tell me? Would you like to guess? Try to think. Suppose there is no clock, no calendar, nothing. How can we get to know that it's a day or night? Okay, Shivika raised her hand. Where is Shivika? Okay. Yeah, Shivika. Tell me.
Weather and season.
Sorry?
Weather and season.
Yeah, how we can know about the season? Day or night?
With the weather.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Yes, ma'am, with the weather.
Yeah, with the weather, yeah, we basically we feel the changes. If we are feeling cold, so it's a month of cold. If we are feeling too hot, so it's a month of hot. If the sun is rises, it means it's morning. If sun sets, it means it's evening. When there is no sun, it means it is night. Agree? Yeah, but thank God we have calendar, which makes our life super easy and simple. Okay, so let's start. Can you tell me which is the month? Which is this month? You can write in the chat box. Just answer me quickly. This is very simple. Can you tell me the name of the month? May. Yeah, May. So May, yeah. And can you tell me which month comes before May? Before May. April. Yeah. And after May? June. You children are very smart, I must say. You know the month's name and know how which month comes after or before. So that's great. Yeah. So Aradhya, Anika, and yeah, you all are right. You know what is today, tomorrow, and yesterday? Which day is today? Which day is today? Today is Saturday, right? So the day in is present is called today. The day before, yeah, Saturday. And what comes before Saturday? Before Saturday, Friday. So Friday is yesterday and Sunday is tomorrow. How many weeks, how many days are there in week? Wait, I'll ask you one by one. So I would like to unmute Ishanvi. I won't be able to unmute. Yes, Ishanvi, tell me. How many days are there in a week? 7.
7 days.
7. Very good. Very good. Okay. Next, can you tell me which is the first day of the week? First day of the week. You can raise your hand. Yes, Anika.
Ma'am, Monday.
Monday. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. All of you agrees with Anika? Is it Monday? Monday is the first day of the week? Okay, Shivika doesn't agree. Yes, Shivika.
Ma'am, Sunday.
Yeah, very good. So the first day of the week is Sunday. Okay, our week starts with Sunday and ends with Saturday. So basically Sunday is the first day of the week, and Monday is the first working day. After holiday, we start work, right? So after Sunday, when we start working, so Monday is the first working day, but Sunday is the first day of the week, and last day is Saturday. Clear? Great. Let's move to the next one. Okay, how many months are there in a year? How many months? You can write in the chat box. Who will tell me first? Shivika, yeah, 12. 12. Ishanvi, yeah, 12. Right. So there are 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there are 12 months in a year. You know how many days in each month? All of you know that, or you don't know how many days are in each month? Who will tell me? Okay, 30 days, Ishanvi, written 30 days. Okay, in May we have 30 days. Sorry, in May we have 31st. Okay, in January we have 31 days. February either 28 or 29. In March, 31 days. April, 30. May, 31. June, 30. July, 31. August, 31. September, 30. October, 31. November, 30. December, 31. Ishanvi, can you tell me how many days are there in April? Okay, who will help Ishanvi? How many days are there in April? Who will help her? Yes, Shivika.
Ma'am, I think 30 days.
30 days, yeah, very good. So in April, we have 30 days. Okay, let's move to the next. So there are 365 days in a year. 365 days in a year. And after 4 years, there is leap year. And in leap year, we have 366 days. Okay, for example, we know that in January we have 31 days, in March we have 31 days, but in February either 28 or 29, right? So we get confused, like, is it the month of 28 or 29? So how we can know that? Yes, Shivika, tell me. How can we solve this confusion? Like, is it 28 days or 29?
Ma'am, in leap year we have 29 and in normal we have 28.
Yeah, very good. In leap year, we have 29 days in February, and in normal days, we have 28. And leap year comes after every 4 years. For example, if I say in 1992, okay, take the easy example. In 2000, we have 29 days. So next 29 days will come in 2004, right? Not in 2001, 2, 3, no, in 2004. After 4 years, we will get 29 days in February. Is it clear? Okay. And how many weeks are there in a year? For that, we will divide by total days and 7 days. 7 days in a week and 365 days in year. When we divide, so we will get the answer 52 weeks. So basically we have 52 weeks in a year. So do you have calendar? You must have calendar in your house. If it's around you, can you show me your calendar? Just go get up and quickly get it if you have. Okay, so Anika is showing me her calendar. It's green in color and looking very cute. Okay, anyone else? Okay. Okay, so basically calendars looks like that. It is divided in months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We have days, total number of days. Like in January, we have 31 days. We have days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And in like in a month, there would be 4 Sundays, 4 Mondays, 4 Tuesday, 4 or 5 Wednesday, 4 or 5 Thursday, 4 Friday, 4 Saturday. It depends on dates, okay? It could be 4 or 5. So tell me, which is your favorite month and birthday month? You can write in the chat box. March. Okay. Ishanvi is saying March. Okay. Children, can you tell me, why do we need calendar? Why do you need calendar? Yes, Ishanvi. You can unmute.
To see day and date.
To see dates or, yeah, days. Exactly. So through calendars, we can, remember the date of, birthday dates, or something like vacations or special occasion. So these things we can easily see in calendar. Good. Okay, next. So this is a chart which tells, like, in a week there are 7 days. In a year, we have 52 weeks. Just listen to me very carefully, because I have to ask some questions, okay, after this. So in a week, we have 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In a year, we have 52 weeks. In a year, we have 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. In a year, we have 365 days. But in a leap year, we have 366 days, because in a leap year, February has 29 days, right? In a month, we have 4 weeks: 4 Sunday, 4 Monday, okay? In 1 decade, we have 10 years. In 1 century, we have 100 years. And in 1 millennium, we have 1,000 years. Okay? When I say 10 years, it means 1 decade. When I say 100 years, it means 1 century. 1 century completes in 100 years. And in one millennium, there are 1,000 years. Is it clear to you all? Because I have to ask questions. If not, you can ask me. Okay, let's give chance to other student. My question is for Aradhya. Aradhya, can you unmute yourself? Aradhya, can you unmute yourself? Hi. Hi, Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can I ask a question? Very simple question. Okay, so tell me, Aradhya, how many months in a year?
Um, um,
How many months we have? I think your video is stuck. Can you hear me?
12 months a year.
How many months we have?
12 months here.
12 months. Very good. 12 months. Okay, my next question is for Kabyanil. Can you unmute yourself? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes.
So please tell me how many days are there in a week?
How many days in a week? 7 days.
7 days. Very quick. And which is the day today?
Saturday.
Saturday. Good. Okay. My next question, it could be little bit tough. Sorry? Okay. My next question is for Anika. Anika, can you tell me how many years in one decade? Unmute yourself.
100.
In one decade.
100.
100 in 1 century. In decade, how many years? 10. Good. So we have 10 years in 1 decade. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Temperature. You know what is temperature? Just write in the chat box whatever you know about temperature. What is temperature? Hot or cold? Very good. Okay, suppose I have 3 jars or 3 containers. In one jar, I have hot water. In another one, there could be a chilled water. And the third one, I have normal water. So how I can get to know that which is the hot one and which is colder one? How I get to know that? Can you tell me? Who will tell me? You can raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay, so I would like to give the chance to Rachna. Yes, Rachna.
Yes, ma'am.
How we get to know that which container is hotter and which is the cold one?
We can touch the container with a skin, or we can measure with a thermometer.
Yeah, I think second option would be better because first one could be the risky one. We can hurt ourselves. If it is
Yeah.
too much hot or cold, we can hurt ourselves. So I think second option is better, right? We can
Yeah.
use thermometer. Very good.
Yes.
Thank you, Rachna. So basically, we have thermometer to check temperature. We have two types of thermometer. First one is Fahrenheit, and the second one is Celsius. The F1 is on the left side, and the C1 is of the right side. Okay. So what is the temperature in this picture? Who will tell me? Fahrenheit or Celsius? Who did not get the chance? Let's ask to Sarthak. Sarthak, can you unmute yourself and tell me the answer? Fahrenheit and Celsius?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't know.
You can see the picture. You can see the red line where it ends. What is the number?
158, ma'am.
Yeah, 158 degree for Fahrenheit. And what about Celsius?
70, ma'am.
70 degree. Very good. Good. Let's see the next one. Okay, what is the temperature shown on thermometer? So you can see the picture and you have four options. 20 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, or minus 10 degrees Celsius. So which is the correct one? You can write your answers in the chat box. Okay, Ishanvi has written 10. All of you agrees with her answer? Is it 10 degrees Celsius? Just give me thumbs up if is she right or you agree. Okay, Shivika is agreeing. All of you. Yeah, the correct answer is 10 degrees Celsius. Thank you. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Any doubt, any question regarding the topic, you can ask me if you have. All is clear? That's great. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sabrina ma'am. It was a wonderful session. And kids, how was it? Can I get a feedback from all of you in the chat section? You liked it? I also liked it. So is 2022 a leap year? Is it a leap year? No or yes? Quickly, who can tell me? No? Shavika says no. And what about others? Is 2022 a leap year? All right, no worries, kids. So kids, how was the session today? You enjoyed? Nice. Okay, great. Me too enjoyed a lot. And thank you so much for being a wonderful audience. And thank you so much, Sabrina ma'am, for a wonderful demo session today. So I hope to see you all in the regular live classes. And in case if you have any doubts, any queries, what you can do is you can just WhatsApp us on our registered mobile number, which is 95607-64447. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much. So see you soon. Bye-bye. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.